Hello everyone, it's day 22 and today we're gonna make our first blog post. So let's go. We have to click here on the CMS and here in the CMS collections, let's click this plus sign and let's give the collection name blog post. And here we can see we have basic info. There is a name and a slug. And we will need more names, more fields. This name will be the title. What else do we need? We will need an author with just plain text. Let's name it author. We will need the date and time. Let's name it date. And we will need rich text for the blog content, maybe. And one image. And here we have the basic structure. Let's create the collection. We are about to close this collection with a save change. Let's save the change. It can generate me sample items. Let's make it ourselves. So for the title, let's write follow my journey, guys. I'm gonna be a Webflow developer in 100 days. Okay, custom fields, author, Stefan flow. Today it's October 27, 2025. And for the blog content, I have a content here to copy paste. Where is it? Let's find it. Okay. Copy and paste. And here for the image, let's drag this image. And now we have the structure of our CMS. And we can create this draft. We have the draft. Can we publish it? It says queue for next site publish. Let's publish the save change. Let's save the changes. Can we publish the, let's press publish to the selected domains. And what can you see here? There is nothing. A blank page. Let's press this. Not published. Review. Home. We have our template. Follow my journey. And we'll need a layout to connect this CMS. So this dynamic information that we store in our blog post template, and now we have to create a layout to display the information. Publish now. Let's click publish now. Items are published. Let's see if there is anything. Page not found. Page doesn't exist. If preview, we view nothing because this CMS is not connected to anything. So we will need a layout. Let's create something real quick. Let's make one section. Let's give it a width of 100%. Maybe top and bottom padding of 5 rem. We don't need. Let's make one container. Let's name the section. Post section. Post container. And for the container, let's give let's first give a width of 900 pixels. And top and bottom. And 2 rem on the sides padding. And let's give it margin auto, so we center it, the container. And let's make one content wrapper. Let's give it a block wrapper. And here inside this block wrapper, maybe we will need one meta wrapper for the author and the date. How to name it? Information wrapper. And let's make two text box. One will be the author title, and the other will be text block. The other will be date, title, date information. And now we have the information. We will need a title, so let's create one heading inside. Let's show it. Heading, title. What else we're gonna need? We will need block content. We will need rich text for that. Block content. And what else do we need? We're gonna need one image. Image. And I think we have the structure, guys. Let's make this block wrapper a flex. Make it vertical. Center everything. And let's give 2 rem gap. Let's make this information wrapper a flex as well. And give it a little bit of gap, like 5 rem or 10 rem, let's say 20, 30, 35, 37 rem, 35. Okay. And now, guys, we have the structure, and we can connect every element from our layout with our CMS template. And let's select the information wrapper first and go to the author title. And here from the settings, if you press the settings, and from here, text block settings, we can connect this class, author title, that is a text block, with our CMS. And let's connect it with the author. And you see, now it it displays the information from our CMS, and this is exactly what we want. And it's now purple. This means that it's a CMS collection item. Let's connect the date. We click on the date, and from here we connect it to the date. Amazing. Let's go to the heading title. Let's connect the title with the name. Amazing, exactly what we want. And the text content, let's connect it with the blog content. And we have the content. And for the image, let's connect it to the image. And now we have the image. We can drag the image here. It's very big. We can drag it here. And let's preview the post. And we can see it. The name, the date, the title. Of course, we can style this further and make it pretty, but this is not the point now. I'm just using the CMS for the first time. And this is my introduction to the CMS. It's kind of easy to use. Here we can make a lot of changes. This is our collection. We can make changes here. We can remove something from here. We can add more fields. And here from the template, we can change out of the information. If I change the title from here, it's gonna change on our page as well. I'm not even sure if I have to publish. I think the information changes right away. And we can see here, it's changed. I don't know if I change something here. Let's say change the author here. Will the UCMM publishing? Let's see if I change the collection from here. And yeah, it's connected. You can change it from the canvas. Amazing. And that's it, guys. I'm very happy with the Webflow CMS, at least for now, because this is kind of simple what we did. I will invest like 2 more days into the CMS. Maybe create some CMS lists next. Maybe a slider, something a little more complicated, just to get a little bit familiar with everything. And that's it for today, guys. That was my introduction to CMS. Thank you for everyone for watching. See you tomorrow, guys. Stay strong, everyone. Bye bye.